Hello everyone, welcome to the Virtual Assets. We are going to start our new playlist on ASP.NET tutorials. In this course, we will see ASP.NET from basic to the advanced level and we'll see how we can create a web application using the ASP.NET application. If you want to get a live training on ASP.NET, then you can go to our virtualassets.in website and you can go to the training section. You can get it from the services and you can register yourself by click on this register and can fill the mandatory information. We will give you an online training on ASP.NET, that is a 35 hours training which include the live project, and we give a interview preparation as well. So when you are try to give an interview in the MNCs, so it will be easy to crack that interview with respect to the ASP.NET application. If you are interested, you can register yourself, and if you want to see the syllabus, you can click on this and you can see what all are the syllabus we are going to provide you. So let's get back to the slide. So what is the ASP.NET? So ASP.NET is a web application that is designed by the Microsoft and it is used to create the web application. The first version of this ASP.NET got released by 2002 and the full form ASP is basically active server pages, and .NET means network enabled technology. And when we are working with the ASP.NET, we have the couple of the language through that we can design the ASP.NET like C#, VB.NET, C++ and G#. And the use of this technology is to design the ASP.NET application. Basically, it's a web application, and when we are start working with the ASP.NET, so like ASP.NET is designed to work with the HTTP protocol, and this is the standard protocol used across all web application. So that is all over about the ASP.NET. Now let's understand what is the architecture and the component. So ASP.NET is basically a framework which is used to design the web application, and the base architecture we can see here. So what is happening, like whatever the technology or the languages we have like C#, VB.NET and others, so what they do, they go to their compiler, respective compiler. So that is a framework class library, and from there it communicate to the respective class library, like respective in the sense like as a C#, VB.NET, etc. And after communicating to the class library, it communicate to the IL, means intermediate language, and after that it communicate to the CLR. The CLR is basically responsible for the garbage collection, memory management, mean to say, or JIT compiler, like everything is done inside the CLR. And after this we see the native language on our OS, like we are using the Windows application, Linux, whatever the like OS we are using, we see the data into the OS. So that is the internal flow work for the .NET framework, or we can say it's a architecture of the ASP.NET. Now let's understand the definition, what is the library in the architecture. So the .NET framework include a set of standard class library. The web library has all the necessary component used to develop the .NET web-based application. With respect to the language, .NET framework provide the many languages like C#, VB.NET, F#, etc. And what's the CLR? So CLR is basically used to manage the memory, or it is used to make the managed code. So whatever the code which is handled by the CLR is the managed code, and the code which is not handled by the CLR, that is called the unmanaged code. And like if they want to do any memory management or the garbage collection in the .NET framework, then all those things is handled by the common language runtime, or we can say the CLR. So that is related to the introduction of the MVC. In the coming video, we will discuss about the life cycle and we will see how we create the ASP.NET application on the Visual Studio. So that's it for this video. Please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.